Hello, welcome back to my channel. Like to say to begin with, I'm close to 200 subscribers. I probably haven't 200 subscribers by the time this video comes out. So please subscribe. But anyway, I'm doing a video today on removing these slots which contain gold pins, these connectors. You can see right across all connectors. So I want to see how much I can remove in 1 hour. I've literally just sold a batch of them at £7 per kilo for just as it is, but I reckon I could probably get a bit more than that. The actual price which people would pay is £1.50 roughly per kilo, but I've been finding the buyers from people like eBay and things like that. People seem to want to pay good prices for them. But anyway, all I'm going to do is use this, like I've been using quite a lot on different pin stuff. Putting it underneath and just hitting it with a hammer and they come straight off. And you just go right across and knock them off. So what I'm going to do is spend about 5-6 minutes or whatever removing them, and then we'll weigh them and times them by whatever it needs to get to an hour, and that'll be our hourly rate. I won't go fast, I'll just go at an average pace just so if you spent 10 hours you get the same amount in the hour. But anyway, I'm going to start now and just remove them from a few boards and see how we go. They are quite hard to get off. I hope my phone don't fall over with all the shaking. Sometimes they're quite stiff to come off. There you go. These big ones are actually quite easy to get off. There's two connectors here. There's one underneath and one up above. They come off nice and easy. They're quite heavy and have nice pins, so they're perfect. Sometimes the pins are fully plated and they're like quite thick, so obviously sometimes they won't have pins, some of the stuff, and sometimes they do, are gold plated. I'm going to throw some of these in where you've got to remove the metal, just because it's not always going to be easy stuff to do. I normally try first just to pull the metal back and remove the screws. And if you can't do that, I quite often just pinch the screws and snap them off with pliers. like that, see, they snap straight off. It also moves the end bit when you do that, so it's quite nice. But as you can see, the pins on them are real nice. If I sell them, I normally put those with the pins poking out in a different pot, just because they're high quality pins and I don't want to be getting the same price. As you can see, the pins fell out of this a little bit. The pins you collect, if they're fully plated like these are, I put them in a fully plated pin pot and sell them, because these are from yesterday what fell out. Stuff. These are all fully plated, so I thought I'd stick them in a pot, and when I get enough of them, I'll sell. But anyway, I'll stop the video here. I think I've done enough. Done 2 boards. Here's the example. So we've got exactly 100 grams from the slot. That's what we moved in 5 minutes. So it times it by 12, and that was 1.2 kilos per hour you'd be removing. So if you only manage to get £1.50, which is $2 per kilo, which is what I'd expect at minimum, that's pretty much $2.5 an hour, or £2 an hour. It's not much, but if you've managed to get £7 per kilo like I expect from selling in bulk lots, then that's pretty much £8-9 per hour, or $12. So not too bad. I don't bother wasting my time removing the pins just because they take hours. The only pins I collect are the ones that fall out. This is well, not yesterday, it's a few days which have fallen out in here. So that's what's fallen out of different things over the last few days I've been collecting. I won't waste my time picking them out, I just collect like that. Most are from ram slots. Anyway, this is what I've done so far today. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, because I really want to hit 200 subs, and by the end of the year, if I could hit maybe 300-400 subscribers, that'd be amazing. But we'd go for 200 at the moment. At the time I recorded this video, I was at 190 subscribers. It'd be good to see what I got now, because I'm uploading this in 3 days after I've just videoed this, because I'm going to hope to upload a video every day. But anyway, please comment down below whatever type of videos you want to watch. I've got a few ideas in mind, but there's a few more hourly rate videos I'll make, and then I'll stop that and find like another series of videos to do. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.